Hi, I'm Jackie from Chirp magazine, and this is my assistant, Maya. Want to say hi, Maya? Today, Maya and I are going to make a bubble snake. For this experiment, you'll need a plastic water bottle or a paper cup, scissors, an old sock, food coloring, and a rubber band, dish soap, and water. So the first thing that we do is, Maya, we're gonna cut off the bottom of our plastic cup like this. And then we're gonna take our old sock. Maybe can you hold that? You're gonna bunch up the old sock and put it over the opening of the plastic bottle. And to keep it in place, we're gonna use a rubber band, just like this. There, that looks pretty good. So this is gonna be our bubble blower. Now we're gonna pour a little bit of our dish soap into our water. Do you wanna do that part? Or do you want me to do that part? I'll do that part. Do you think it's gonna work out?
Yeah.
Maybe we should stir it around a little bit.
Yeah.
I can use my finger to stir it around. It's just a few drops. And then we're gonna try and make maybe a colored bubbles. So I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring on top of our sock. Do you wanna hold the sock? We'll add some blue. Maybe add some red or pink.
It kind of looks like purple.
It kind of looks like purple. It might make purple. Okay, Maya, you want to dip it into our bubble solution and we'll see what happens. That looks cool. You can dip it in like this.
That's purple water.
Yeah. Okay, you want to try blowing it and see what happens?
My hand.
Oh no! You might get dirty. Okay, I'm going to try and blow our bubble and see what happens. It's working. So Maya, do you know how bubbles work? What makes bubbles? No? When you mix water and soap together, the soap makes the air get trapped inside and swell up like a balloon. Then it becomes a bubble. I need more of this.